Thank you for coming to Starbright Storytime. Today's book is Clarence's Topsy-Turvy Shabbat by Tzivia MacLeod. Illustrations by Jennie Poh. Clarence's Topsy-Turvy Shabbat. Clarence's Topsy-Turvy Shabbat by Tzivia MacLeod. Illustrated by Jennie Poh. Clarence loves Shabbat. All week long he prepares to bake his challah. On Sunday he goes out to buy flour, but he comes home with a flower. Oh no, Clarence, you can't make challah out of that kind of flour. On Monday, Clarence goes out to buy oil, but he comes home with soil. Uh-oh, Clarence, please don't use that in your challah. On Tuesday, Clarence goes out to buy honey, but he comes home with a bunny. Seriously, Clarence, what are you thinking? On Wednesday, Clarence goes out to get water, but he comes home with an otter. Silly Clarence. You can't keep an otter in the house. Put him in the pool. Quickly. Oy vey. On Thursday, Clarence goes out to buy yeast, but he comes home with a beast. Where on earth are you going to put a beast, Clarence? Perhaps try the garage. It's Friday morning. Shabbat is coming. Clarence wakes up early. It is time to make the challah. Clarence whispers something in the bunny's ear. Together, they hop next door and bring back supplies from their friends: flour, oil, honey, and yeast. Did you promise them fresh challah, Clarence? What a good idea. Clarence whispers something in the otter's ear. The otter goes to the sink and fills up a measuring cup with cool, fresh water. Careful, Clarence. Don't let the otter slip-slide in the dough. Your friends will not want otter hairs in their challah. Clarence whispers something in the beast's ear, and the beast. Clarence, how did you know? The beast is absolutely terrific at kneading challah dough. Its arms never get tired. Clarence puts the challah into the oven. It's starting to smell delicious in here, Clarence. In the corner of the room, next to the bag of soil, the flower is drooping. Clarence takes the dirt and droopy plant outside and comes back with a beautiful flower for the Shabbat table. On Friday night, Clarence's friends behave themselves nicely. Clarence says the blessings over the candles and wine. He says the prayer over the bread and shares the delicious, fresh challah. I told you it would be a wonderful Shabbat, Clarence. What? I didn't tell you? Well, I thought so all along. I really did. Clarence leans across the Shabbat table and whispers something in my ear. What's that, Clarence? No, don't tell me what you're planning for next Shabbat. Let's keep it a surprise, okay? This has been Clarence's Topsy-Turvy Shabbat by Tzivia MacLeod. Illustrations by Jennie Poh. Text copyright 2020 by Tzivia MacLeod. Illustrations copyright 2020 by Lerner Publishing Group. Carbon Publishing, Inc., an imprint of Lerner Publishing Group, Inc., Minneapolis, Minnesota. Thank you for coming to Starbright Storytime.